So let us discuss another very important content of this chapter, about which we have discussed in the previous video. This particular content is very important because from here only you will come to know that how the human history or the history which is dealing from 700 to 750, no, it's affected the human life. Do you know in this particular content that is called new social and political groups, we are going to discuss most of the important point of this particular chapter. You might have seen today different places, the different societies, different ethnicity, no, it exists. There is a different kind of political setup, yes or no? So our life is influenced by all these social, political, economical and religious affairs. But do you know how this happened? There is a huge change in the human life in this period of time, that is marked from 700 to 1750. Let us try to understand what is that. This period is also marked as what? The period of challenges and prosperity. Lots of challenges and as well as prosperity. Now what is the mean when we say that it has lots of challenges and prosperity? In this period, you will come to know that if you just deal with the history, a dimensional advancement, progress or development has taken place in the society. As a result, it was not easy for the historian or the learner of the history to assimilate all that, and that particular advancement in the human life, no, it has brought series of changes, right? So let us see how this development often counted as a challenge and prosperity, because it was not easy to draft down or easy to assimilate every idea or every happenings that's happened in the society in the past. So in this period there were certain innovations or technological advancement has seen. These are called the Persian wheel in the irrigation. A new innovation, that is what? The Persian wheel in irrigation. It means the invention of Persian wheel not only made the agriculturalists or the people who are engaged in agriculture their life prosperity, but it has raised the agriculture's production as well. Another is the spinning wheel in the weaving. So in the weaving sector also, what you will find in this phase of time 700 to 1750, there was a advancement in the technology and weaving sectors also started to expand. Besides that, firearms in combats, so many factories they started to use the firearms, and finally arrival of new food and beverage in the subcontinent, means different kind of food items it reached to subcontinent. You might have heard about the potatoes, chilies, tomatoes, cabbage. These are the different food items it has reached to the market. It has reached to the subcontinent. Now see, when this food item reached to the subcontinent, or this many things has happened. Why it has happened? All because of the advancement in the technology. The advancement in the technology has made this thing happen. And do you know, this made life prosperous. This made life prosperity. The human life and its settlement gets changed. How it gets changed, that we need to understand. Because this period has not only boosted up the social, economical, political and religious affairs, but it has bring large number of people closer to each other. The people are getting connected through market. Now production increases. Now weaving, it means manufacturing increases, then what happened? It has given a new opportunity to the people. Now market started to integrate it. People from different places, they started to move to the another places for the purpose of trade. Now see the interactions of the people, integration of the market, were coming closer to each other, has given a new way or new methods of living, and it has brought a certain change in the historical content or historical learning. Not only that, it has brought huge changes in the society. As it was a period of movability, no, one group of people or another group of people moving from one place to another place. And one big development what we see here, we can see the emergence of some groups like Rajputs. These basically were the Rajaputras. They proclaimed as a what? Warriors. They born in the Kshatriya clan. In the same period of time, we can see what? The emergence of Marathas, the emergence of Jat, the emergence of Ahuns. This group of people also emerged. So this is how the period is having a lots of significance in the learning of history, that is from 700 to 1750. So now this movability, now this kind of settlement, this kind of innovations, no, this kind of integration of the market, no, has given a new way of life, and that new way of life is structured in the new social and political group. So in this particular segment, this is what we have, that is what this period was, the period of economic prosperity, the period of social change, the period of political political powers emerged in the group. Not only that, beside that, this period was also marked as what? The extension of agriculture's weaving. So this is how in history this particular content in this particular chapter has a great significance to understand. That is what the new social and political group. Rest part of the chapter I will explain you in the another video. Till then, keep on learning and read the text once. Thank you.